In the world of real estate, success is all about growth, productivity, and achieving goals. But what if there was a way to transform your real estate career, your team, or your brokerage, no matter where you are on your journey? Introducing Rockstar Agent, the ultimate real estate coaching, training, and productivity platform that's changing the game for agents, teams, and brokers just like you. With over 400 professional courses and 1,000 templates, Rockstar Agent offers a wealth of knowledge and resources for agents at every level. But here's the game changer. We personalize your journey based on your unique personality, goals, and experience. No one size fits all here. And that's not all. We've developed a proprietary system that sets specific activity goals, known as DPAs, dollar productive activities, to help you and your agents focus on what truly drives sales success. The results speak for themselves. Rockstar Agent has helped countless agents increase their sales and productivity by 4 to 10 times their current levels. Take, for example, a group of 50 agents who went from 103 sales and 19.019 million to a staggering 809 sales, totaling 179,659,000 in sales volume. It's not just about selling more. It's about building a predictable and repeatable business that you can rely on. So why wait? Join the ranks of successful real estate agents, teams, and brokers who've discovered the power of Rockstar Agent. Click on your specific solution from the menu above to explore your specifics further. Your real estate success story starts here. Rockstar Agent, where Rockstar agents are made.